One of the things about working at Big Cat Rescue, a lot of people say, what's a typical day? What do you do during the day? And there's so many aspects of animal care that we do, but there's always the stuff that you can't plan on. I was walking by just a little bit ago checking on the tigers, and Bengali, one of our retired circus tigers, had a huge water bird, and I think it's a great blue heron, in his pond. He of course chased it to the top of his cage, and this bird is trapped in there. I was able to get Bengali into his lockout, and now I'm going to go in and try to get this bird out and get it safely out for the bird and for me. I don't want to get pecked in the eyes, and I don't want to injure the bird, so we'll see what happens. Got a really big beak. I don't want to get pecked. I'm glad I got my eyewear on. You're going to make me get wet, aren't you? Surprisingly, it's not very heavy for as big as it is. I know, you're gonna bite me. Okay, so we've got the very unhappy bird out of the cage. He's not so happy with Bengali or with me. Get him over here to the lake where he can have a nice clear takeoff. Doesn't run into any cages. And hopefully he will have learned his lesson. And another mission accomplished at Big Cat Rescue.